Hey guys, how's it going? My name is David and you're watching Coloradan Customs. Today I'm working on this 1999 Chevy C6500. I'm replacing the fuel filter. I'm going to be showing you how to as well. So your fuel filter is going to be located under here, which is called the component box. So this is on the driver's side, just in front of your fuel tank. There's going to be three 10mm bolts that you need to take out right here, here, and here. And you might have to loose these back here that hold in these tabs. Then you can just pop the cover up and pull the cover out. Right down in there is your fuel filter. The next thing to do is take out these nuts that are holding on this band that goes over the fuel filter. These are size 13mm. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm just taking this easier to get to one loose, and that loosens the strap enough that the filter will be able to come out. Now we've got to unscrew these pieces on the ends of the filter and get the new one in. Alright, the new filter is in. We just got to put that strap back into place, put the cover on, and we're good. Well, that was a fuel filter job on a 99 Chevy C6500. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.